Easy hairstyle that you need to try right now. First, separate the bangs and clip them up out of the way so they don't get mixed with the rest of the hair. Next, divide the hair halfway and brush the one side upward. Once it's smooth, secure it with the ponytail. Then, repeat in the exact same step on the other side. Now, take the hair from the ponytail and gently roll it upward, leaving a small section of the hair out for later. Once I'm happy with the shape, I secure it with another ponytail. Then I do the same thing on the other side so both sides match. After that, it's time to bring the bangs back down. Remove the clip and get the flat iron ready. Curling the hair upward creates extra volume and gives the hairstyle a softer, fluffier look. Finally, for the finishing, curl the pieces of the hair that you left out earlier. This adds a soft and cute touch to the hairstyle and it helps frame the face beautifully. And that's it, a quick, easy, and adorable hairstyle that looks stylish with every little effort. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to try it with yourself.